Hello, today we're here at SL Equipment to look at this 6.4'x12 aluminum utility trailer. Starting off the front, we'll see our swivel jack, coupler, safety chains, 4-pin power adapter for your vehicle. This trailer is all aluminum construction. We'll see we have aluminum mag wheel on here as well, with radial tire, down plate on the fenders. Has a nice flare to the trailer. I do already have the rear ramp down for ease of use and showing it. As you can see, we'll have the 4 planks on the back, and then you'll have 4 supports. You'll have the left and right sides and center supports on the ramp. The lights on the back are LED. We'll have 4 hinges. And there's a latch on both the driver's side and passenger side for the rear gate. The trailer has its DOT lighting. The trailer is nice and light, easy to move around. Before I started this video, I had to move it just a few feet further forward to make sure that I had enough clearance. I did it single by myself, put the Scotch wood behind the tires. They're nice and lightweight, so if you've got a garage, building, anything that you don't have a load or anything on it, then between having the front jack that's got a wheel on it and the lightweight itself helps move it around. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a nice day.